we do feel the difference. And since last year, we can give you some case, and it's during our interaction with different kind of local governments. And for example, in Chengdu, we built our innovation center that's first in the world for Allergan. The innovation center including medical clinical. So at the beginning, in our perception, we feel that should be very difficult because as a medical clinical, we should be under the different China government functions management. So we perceive we should to communicate one by one, and perceive the process will be very long. However, the real practice is the different functions, they should involve on the process. Actually, they sit together and have a meeting with us. You know, they help us to clarify the policy, how to understand following the government's policy. And they also, answer our questions, and they also align with each other. Sometimes different functions have different process. How to make the whole process smoothly, how to make it happen. It's quite impressive. We never, have this kind of expectation before. It's not only one case. In addition to Chengdu practice, actually, we also have some other cases which happen in Hainan and in Shanghai. All of these three cases, we found that the collaboration with the three cities' government offices are very smoothly. They demonstrate a behavior very transparently, and they're very efficient, and they're very collaborative and very open. So I would say, considering all of the three cities' government offices demonstrate a similar behavior, I would say that's not only individual case. I believe that's a change for the whole country. That's a very good trending. When we built our trading company in Shanghai, traditionally, before the law approved, you have to get a certificate as a foreign investment, which is quite different from a local company. But after the law effective, we just need to do the process quite similar like a local company. We feel that we are treated as the same as the local companies. That's very important. Another thing I'd like to highlight is the IP protection. Actually, that's an ongoing initiative, but especially in last year, China focused on how to beat those fake drugs, fake device, and one side we will feel the company like us actually get protected. Another side I will also see that's a very important initiative to protect the patient's benefit. We still have fully confidence for China market. Look at China, such a big population, right? Especially the middle class population. Depends on different kinds of research. China middle class population is accounted for 300 to 400 million people. That's almost equal to the whole American country people, right? So that's a big foundation. They have very strong affordability, and they also have very strong willingness to improve their life quality. So that's a very important foundation for us to believe the China market future. And more importantly, look at China has so many, well-trained workers, right? Engineers, and so many all kinds of talents. And look at the China, foundation build up, our railway, right? Our all kinds of equipment build up, very, very advanced. So we believe that all kinds of these kind of things give us confidence. China economics still can continue to grow. Of course, currently, because of various crises, short-term people have a lot of negative moral. Some people are worried about the future. But for us, if we take time longer to think about China market, it's very clear. The market is still very promising. I think even in crisis, all of the people have such a very high moral to beat such a difficult crisis. Why not that we have confidence for after the virus we can recover the business, right? So that's why I have fully confidence.